subscribe. Good morning, guys. It is on Sunday at 6:40 a.m. and I have just woken up. I'm sure you can tell from how rusty I look. So first things first, I'm gonna go and brush my teeth. That's the first thing I normally do when I wake up. I just feel like when I wake up I just need to clean my mouth. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake.
So today being on a Sunday, I normally make sure I go to church, and I normally like attending the first service, which is the English service. So next up, we're gonna go and take a shower, and I do like my showers when they are warm or rather hot showers. Yeah, so as I was saying, I normally like going to church, the first service. I know you all are probably asking, aren't you going with your family? I normally go for the 8 a.m. service, and my parents normally go for the 10 a.m. service because of my little brother. So I hope I've answered your query. Yeah, so this is me going to church. It was around 7:55. Yeah, the church is not that far away from home, so you can really walk and get there in time. So let us go to church. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynette, in case you're new here. Hi, and welcome to the family. So guys, it is on a Sunday, and I'm sure you've seen from the previous clips how my morning routine is normally on Sunday. I'm currently at the shop. I'm just from home, just had my breakfast. So in the shop we normally start by cleaning. Today we are both of us. We normally start by cleaning, wiping surfaces, like making sure the place is clean before we settle and wait for customers. So I'm not sure if we'll get a customer for makeup today, but normally we do get people for makeup or maybe eyebrows. But as we wait, I will be doing Shanice's makeup. Guys, if you have not clicked the subscribe button, make sure you do so. And I know that I promised you guys that when I come back, I'm going to tell you all about what happened when I took the long break from YouTube. Of course, I still remember that, and I honestly wanted that to be the first video in this channel, but because of circumstances, this will be the first video from my break here. So let's get to cleaning. Without much further ado, let us go straight into this video. customers and staff.
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me are like a magnet to a knot. Can like a lighthouse from the ocean. I sell them my devotion and show them my thought. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I found a rainbow in the shade. Who said he used to places a better one I saw. I said,
Tell them subscribe.
Right.
I said be good for
Where are you
me.
coming from?
Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.
Who is brother?
But when you talk to me,
Brother, come
give me
here.
the impression that I won't scratch your surface.
Say hi.
And I could walk for days, searching for your prey. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance
So hey
for
guys, we are
me?
finally finished cleaning and we want to move on to the next thing on the schedule. So I'm going to be doing Shani's makeup and I want to show you what I've prepared or rather what I've set aside before we start, and then I'm going to be taking you through the entire process of me working on her face, and then I'm going to see the final product. So make sure you book your makeup. By the way, on Instagram I'll leave my Instagram down below as well as the Instagram to the shop. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and look out for the next story time video as well as other makeup videos to come. That will be it from us today guys. Let me see you in the next video. Till next time, bye.